Hey friends, welcome back. Now today we're checking out a slightly unusual desk light, the EaseGlow H01, a double-sided clamp lamp that promises shadow-free desk lighting and a knob-style remote with lots of control, all for about $64. Now I've been using it for the last few days, and in this video I'll show you how it performs for video calls, streaming and content curation, and whether it's actually worth your desk space. Let's go. So first, the unboxing. It arrives compact. Inside you get the lamp arm with the two LED panels, a sturdy clamp, a knob style remote and a power cable. First impressions, the build feels lighter than premium metal lights, but the clamp is solid and the hinges have decent resistance. It's designed to save desk space. Clamp it on the edge and you're set. Design wise, it's minimal and functional. Two flat LED panels face forward and backwards for double-sided fill. That's how it reduces harsh shadows. The hinge and the gooseneck allow angle plus height adjustments, and the clamp has a protective pad so you don't mark your desk. The knob remote is oddly satisfying. Twist to change brightness, press to switch color tones. Nothing groundbreaking aesthetically, but it's practical. Let's demo the core features. On the website they advertise 10 brightness levels and 5 color tones, from warm cozy to daylight cool. I'll cycle through them now. The brightness steps are smooth and useful for quick adjustments. The color tones make it flexible, warm for relaxed work, cool for focusing or filming. The double-sided panels are the real trick. They give 3D soft fill, so when you place it behind your monitor or to the side, your face gets fill light without that one direction harshness. Let's look at some real tests. First, video calls. With the lamp clamped behind my monitor angled forward, my face is evenly lit. Skin tones look natural and the camera doesn't have to crank up the ISO. Second, for product shots, the lamp reduces shadows on small objects. Because of the back panel, you get less dramatic contrast than a single directional lamp. Third, reading and drawing. Adjustable height plus angle give you good task lighting without giving glare. One note, at the highest brightness, panels can get a bit flat in terms of directional punch compared to a single strong key light. But for everyday desk work, it's fantastic. Okay, pros and cons. It's great for shadow-free desk lighting and video calls. It's easy to tweak with the knob, giving a simple user experience. The clamp saves desk footprint, fair price for what you get. Cons-wise, it's not as punchy as a dedicated key light for cinematic video. Build is more plastic than metal, fine for a desk, but not premium. If you're comparing this to a ring light or a single panel LED, ring lights give an even frontal light, but can be harsher and create reflection. A single high output panel will give more directional control. The EaseGlow's niche is soft 3D fill and compact clamp mounting. So my verdict for $64, the EaseGlow H01 is an excellent budget desk streaming fill light. If your priority is soft, even illumination and small desk footprint, I'll give it a 7.8 out of 10. Great value, smart features, but not a replacement for pro consumer key lights. If you want shadow-free Zoom calls, better looking webcam footage and flexible desk mounting, this is a very sensible buy. Also worth noting, advertises a 3-year warranty, which is a solid reassurance for the price. If you enjoyed the review, drop a like, subscribe and tell me in the comments what lamp I should test next. I'll leave a link to the product page in the description. See you in the next one.